Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the WooCommerce placeholder image in WordPress. This is particularly useful when you want to customize the default image that appears when a product doesn't have its own image uploaded yet, helping maintain a consistent brand look across your online store. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your WooCommerce store to access all the necessary settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find various WordPress options. Look for WooCommerce and click on it. This will expand a drop-down menu with several options related to your store management. From the options that appear, click on Settings. This is where all your WooCommerce configurations are managed. You'll now be on the WooCommerce settings page. At the top part of your screen, you'll see several tabs for different settings categories. Click on the Products tab to access product-related configurations. Once you're in the Products section, scroll through until you locate the Placeholder Image field. You'll notice this field contains a number, which is the current identifier for your placeholder image. This number is what we need to change to update your placeholder image. Now, here's where we identify and change that image. Look back at the left navigation menu and click on Media. This opens your media library, which is where all your WordPress images are stored. Take a moment to browse through the images presented and select the one you want to use as your new placeholder image. Click on the image to view its details. Once you're viewing the image details, shift your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll notice a URL with several parameters. Look carefully for a section that reads item equals, followed by a number. That number is the unique identifier for the selected image. Copy this number carefully. Now navigate back to your WooCommerce settings where you saw the placeholder image field. Paste the number you just copied into this field. This action assigns your chosen image as the new placeholder image for all products without their own images. Make sure to save your changes before moving on, and that's it. You've successfully changed the WooCommerce placeholder image in WordPress, giving your store a more personalized and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.